Coming soon, open house this Sunday, October 24th from 2 to 4 p.m. Custom designed by Doug Enoch and built by Eddie Kircher, this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath traditional is in the hidden gated Bocage neighborhood. It does have more yard than you would expect and room for pool. Principal bedroom down west/3 BRS up. Great room west/fireplace, dining room, 30 kitchen keeping room west/fireplace, office all down. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, playroom and media room up. Screen porch west/fireplace. Pine floors, high ceilings, great windows. Cooking porch, workshop west/HVAC, and much more.